Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this blue glitter cut crease for New Year's Eve. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So today I'm starting off with my Too Faced Hangover Spray just to prime my skin. Then I'm taking my Cover FX Blurring Primer and I'm just putting that in all the places on my face where I have bigger pores. Then taking my Anastasia brow pomade and an angled brush and filling in my brows. And then I'm putting my P. Louise base all over my eyes to prime my lids. Then taking my Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette and starting off with that darkest blue shade up in the top corner. I am just going to take a little bullet brush and I'm just going to create the shape of a cut crease and sort of wing it out towards the tail of my brow, just kind of mapping out the shape of how I'm going to want that cut crease to look. And I'm just going to keep packing on the color until I'm happy with the pigmentation. Then taking that royal blue shade, I'm going to pack that on the edges of where I just put down that dark blue color. And then taking that aqua color, I'm going to take a tiny little crease brush by Morphe and I'm going to blend that into the crease. Then taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to go over top of all of that. Then taking a smaller fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend that out just a little bit more. Then taking a black shade, this one is from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, I'm just going to take a little tiny brush and I'm going to line the crease and just darken it a little bit, then blending it out with that darker blue shade again. Then blending it all out with a tiny fluffy brush and doing the same thing to the other side. Then taking my P. Louise base again and a tiny concealer brush, I'm just going to carve out the shape of how I want the cut crease to be. As you can see, there's a lot of blue on my lids, so I'm taking some makeup remover and I'm cleaning up the lid space. Then I'm going to put some Tarte Shape Tape over top of that just to give myself a clean base. Then taking my Sugar Pill Single Shadow in Taco, I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Then taking my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in the shade Pyro and some Too Faced glitter, I'm just going to line that cut crease with the glitter liner, and then over top of that, I'm going to press on the glitter. Then taking some Too Faced glitter glue, I'm just going to put that on the inner third of my eye, fading it out once it reaches the third way point, and then I'm going to press that loose glitter that we just used in the cut crease all over where I just placed down the glitter glue. Then taking my Dermablend Liquid Camo Foundation in the shade Cream and my Eco Tools Beauty Sponge, I'm just going to put that foundation all over my face. Then taking my Jordana Sculpt & Go Contour Stick, I'm just going to contour my cheeks with that and blend it out with that sponge. Then taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, in a deep shade, I'm just going to contour my nose and blend that out with the same sponge. Then taking my Makeup Revolution Fast Base Concealer, I'm just going to highlight my nose and my forehead and underneath of my contour and blend that out. Then underneath my eyes as well. Then I'm setting that with a translucent powder. Then taking my Makeup Revolution bronzer, I'm just going to bronze my cheekbones. And then taking my Pixie blush, I'm going to blush my cheeks. Then I'm wiping away that bake underneath of my eyes. And I'm adding some clear brow gel just to set my brows in place. Then I'm taking a duochrome blue highlighter, this one is from City Color, and I'm just putting that on my cheekbones to highlight. Then taking my Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss, I'm putting that right over top of where I put that blue. And then with Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Ice Cold, I'm just highlighting my nose and my inner corners. Then taking a black shade again and an angled brush, I'm just going to line my upper lash line and my lower lash line. And then smudge that out. And then taking all three of those matte blue shades that we used on the crease, I'm just going to put those underneath of my lash line. Then I'm just going to put some eyeliner on my waterline, and then I'm going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara, and then put on my false lashes. And that's the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. See you guys next time.